What's up guys, welcome back with me Sunny Compare, and today I want to spot the difference between the real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe 5 Protro Bruce Lee alternate colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the fake one here, the white line here isn't straight like the authentic one here, isn't straight with the midsole line. Another one also, this one still same, this one isn't straight, this one is slightly to the left. Another one also on the back here, and the white line on the upper material still same, isn't straight with the line of the midsole. And another one also is very clear, this one. The line here isn't straight with the midsole, so it'll be like the authentic one here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see, still same. The shape here of the midsole is really off, and also the line here isn't straight with the midsole like the authentic one here. Another one also, as you guys can see, the holes here on the fake one is too close with the midsole, and also is slightly too much to the right, so it'll be like the authentic one here is a little bit to the left. Moving to the back of the shoes, on the fake one, the gap between the upper heel, the yellow, and the ankle protection here is too far, whereas on the authentic one here is too close. Take a closer look. As you guys can see, on the fake one the color is looking very off, it's cropped, messed up here, whereas on the authentic one is very clean, very solid. There is no color messed up here. Another sample also, this one is in center between the upper heel and the ankle protection here. This one, the upper heel is slightly to the left. Take a closer look again. There is a one dots missing on the Kobe signature. Should be like the authentic one here. It has a one dots like this. This one isn't straight between the upper heel and the ankle protection, and also the shape of the heel on the fake one is straight, whereas on the authentic one is a little bit rounded. Moving to the outsole here, as you guys can see, a lot of gap between the Kobe logo here and the outsole. See here on my pointer, there's a lot of gap, whereas on the authentic one there is no gap here. Take a closer look. As you guys can see, the color is a little bit bigger on the fake one compared to the authentic one here, looking very sharp on the authentic. Again, another sample, the Kobe logo is looking very sharp on the authentic one compared to the fake one. The color is messed up, scropped. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it does help this channel grows. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.